Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing. And today, we're going to talk about this movie called The Quiet Place. And, wait, what? Why am I yelling? What? This is how I talk. It's as if I'm on a public bus sitting in the back and I expect everyone to hear my conversation as if it matters. Okay, I won't yell at you. I watched this. This is not a sponsored thing, by the way. The Paramount just sent it out. I didn't even know they were going to send this. I happened to watch the movie, which they did send out to me about a week or two ago. I did Instagram on it, and I was really impressed at how good that movie was. I don't like scary movies. Let me just be clear. I'm a scaredy cat. And I know some people's like, it's not scary, it's not a horror. It was scary to me because it's like, it's quiet. The whole movie is quiet and intense until it's not quiet. Let's just say there's some things that are running around and getting people if you make too much noise. And so I won't reveal it. You'll see the movie right away where they come from. But yeah, it's pretty intense. And so, what is this? Oh, this is from the permanent marker. I'm sorry. This is like, what is that black? Okay, I can't even. This is my job. Like, I would get fired anywhere else. Like, I can't even concentrate. Okay, here to see what this is, and now I know. Oh, holy Lord. Okay, let's go through. What is this? Like, they give me a whole kit of different stuff here. So first of all, the 4K Blu-ray. Yeah, 4K Blu-ray and digital is available, and I'll put a link to that if you want to get that below. So, so they have this thing on how this must be from the movie, how to soundproof your house. They talk about absorption, reflection, diffusion, a soundproof room. Do not talk, do not run. I could not do my videos anymore. If them things came, I'd be out of a job. I guess everybody was out of a job or out of a life. Sorry. Oh, this is like one of those little clipboard. Oh, this is cool. So this is one of these little clips that you put on the refrigerator. And I guess it was just to be quiet. And then you can write. I'm gonna put more marker on myself. I know what's gonna happen. So that's for your. I'm making all this noise. Be silent if I didn't show that to you. This is the next thing, diversion. If you know you made a sound and you messed up and it coming, this is used as a diversion. So while this goes off and the thing goes towards this, you get the heck out of there. Okay, it's gonna scare me. I know it is. Okay, the next thing is called, step softly in their socks. This is a cool unboxing. This is clever. I was like, keep saying to me something. So ankle socks, one pair. Oh, and they say a quiet place. I wonder if they sold these in the movie, like when it happened. They were like, hey, get your Be Quiet socks, only $1,000. Like money mattered anymore when that happened. I'm just saying. Seen, but not heard. Wonder what this is. Will you hurry up and go off so I can not be scared? Hurry up. Oh, it's a flashlight. It says that is gonna go off when I'm hovering over it. I know it. Quiet place. Okay. You didn't go off. Oh, there it is. Pretend like it just happened. Yay! And then they run towards this and okay. Play quietly. So to play quietly, what you need to do is open this up really loud. Why don't they put it in here if you want to? This is a foam toy. So the people had to get creative, man. You got kids, they still got to play. And you see, that's not making barely any noise. Another distraction. This is really cool. I'm having fun with this. This is like a panic alarm, like if somebody walking behind you in a parking lot and you're not comfortable. Okay, so that's a light. Okay. Yeah, that is a panic alarm. That is so cool. Come on. Why would you send candy? It's candy. It says shh, and it's gummy candy. So you can eat in quiet. I need to just test it for research. Okay, put it away. I do not need to be eating that. You thought I was going back for another one when I did that, didn't you? I saw you. Oh no. Oh no. No, not my favorite. Okay, so these are sour. I'm only opening it for the research, for the video. I am. I gotta put none of y'all. I'm grown. Again, for research. I need to test one more. I can't keep this in the house. So, marshmallows. Just take one. I haven't had a marshmallow in years. There's a reason. Okay, these fall on the floor. You dead. So these are. So I don't know if it's the brand Twizzler, but it's those little kind of candies. I'm gonna have to not eat the rest of the day. Okay, my dentist is gonna slap me. Be like, look, I saw your video. Doctor, I'm sorry. This is my job. Okay, I'm required by law. I know she's watching. I'll brush my teeth right after this, and I'll even floss. I'll water pick, whatever you want me to do. It's out now, digital and 4K. I watched it in 4K. Oh man, it looks good. So check that out. And guys, thanks so much for watching. Hold on. Let me time this. Let me time. Okay. And all right, let's see if that goes out after I do all my little. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. If you're new here, please subscribe. I do things like this all the time. Although this was kind of unique, don't really do things like this or get a chance to. So this was I had fun with this, especially I cannot keep you in the house. Okay, I'm okay with all of these except these are gonna be the death of me. These sour, sugary ones. Oh my God. All right. Sorry. I'm not stalling, so this I guess I was. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Please thumbs up. I believe there will be a video tomorrow. That's the plan, at least. So, and maybe one Monday as well. Anyway, I'll let you know. Take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!